Hello, we are at one of our new projects. This house is going to be a rental property for us and it needs all the things. We are calling this the Red Roof House. It is such a cute home and it needs all the love and we are gonna give it to it. So come on in and check out this beautiful home with me. All right, so you come in from the front area and all the bedrooms are on the left side of the house. Here is the bathroom, the second bathroom. You're not gonna be able to really see it very well, so we do not have lights on here yet. But it's all the things and it does not smell fabulous in here. You can't even see anything, but it's gonna get completely gutted. And then we've got a bedroom right here. We've actually got some really neat antique furniture in here we're gonna try and sell. And some flooring maybe somebody wants, I don't know. Right, we have a laundry area with all the things, including a saw. I'm pretty sure our guys brought that over here the other day because it was not here when I bought the house. And then we've got the second bedroom. It's all the things. And then the master is in the back of the house, which is really nice. It just gives some really good privacy. Huge, huge master bedroom. Lots of opportunity in here to do stuff, but it needs all the love and all the things. So we are going to be touching every inch of this room. We're gonna get new windows, new paint, new floors, some new sheetrock, and then this whole bathroom is gonna get renovated. New vanity, new countertops. I actually love these vintage lights so much, so we might be keeping those, we'll see. Resurface them or something. And then here, the shower's already gutted, so score. We're gonna put in a walk-in shower. And then of course, a new toilet. And this whole bathroom is going. When we do projects, we love to keep anything that we can. And so we talked about keeping this Stossellio tile, but it's just not really gonna be a fit for what we're doing. But we just love this pattern so much and just think it's so beautiful. But we are going to remove it and take it out and just do all the same floors everywhere. So here we are in the living room. This is a huge room with a ton of natural light. We're actually going to be readjusting some of the windows and things, but it's just a really great big room with these huge ceilings. It's just so amazing. We've got beams everywhere. It's just such a great house and what a great living space. So we are going to make this absolutely gorgeous. Off of the living space is a breakfast area. I almost filled. Let's see here. Into the kitchen. Back into the living room. So there's just gonna be so much open space in here, but there is a lot going on. As you can see, we've got a lot of work to do, but it is going to be beautiful. Thanks for joining me on the tour of this new house, our Red Roof House. Stay tuned for all the things we're gonna do. We've got so many cool stuff going on and it's gonna be awesome.